Most beginner land investing guides say the exact same thing. Choose a market, pull a list, send mail, hopefully flip a deal. But the part they always seem to skip: execution. Strategy alone doesn't always win, systems do. The average new investor gets stuck, some outdated GIS site barely loads, and Reddit threads send you in circles with conflicting advice. And mailers get sent, but no responses actually come in. Now, this isn't about motivation, it's about fragmentation. Other investing models have dashboards, analytics, and data tools. Even house flippers use CRMs and automations. But land investing, most people are piecing it together with random Excel spreadsheets and forms that go nowhere. The top performers are not guessing. They're executing campaigns like machines, filtering, testing, and scaling with clear infrastructure. Here's what makes land campaigns actually work. Number 1, county selection. Filter by absentee ownership, pricing trends, and sales volume. Skip podcast guesses, use the real data. Number 2, list quality. Only off-market parcels. No LLCs, no just sold records, no incomplete data. Number 3, pricing strategy. Every offer must be comp driven by acreage, band, and actual sales. Price runs these calculations automatically. Number 4, contact info. Skip tracing is not optional. No seller contact info means no deal flow. Skipping even just one of these steps kills your entire momentum. It's like trying to bake a cake with no recipe and missing ingredients. Land investing works when the system is tight. Priced is designed to help modern investors launch ready-to-offer campaigns in under 30 minutes. If you're interested, there is a free 14-day trial link in the description or pinned comment just for watching this video. Start now and build like the pros.